for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so na ensembi esi ewo Kaswa. Said this year no it has been a year for Kaswa in terms of security issues. We share police for any civilians say enye. Now see the better on the subscribe and click the notification bell on the so and no any other screen so see we and the latest news be about once ever can. Now story way afiansa aba abedu yenim, but I have a report on it. I have the latest update on it. Into the member story ni mo me na me the update no atia so. Now story ni say police for me no omo ho atire omo and me ne wo ka say ya chi omo a ye ma wo mo eko face court. Na de wo mo ye no ene say drinking sport be e wo Kaswa. Na ade we reporting no and ade we in particular no it happened on Farmers Day. Just some few days from the America day this particular thing no. Now drinking sports be ewa Kaswa and opatutu the see and say police for me no ekosa drinking sports no meaning say na womo ekope ensa anomo se den yo. Na police for me no womo din ba ko din Corporal Isifu Tahiru and the other Corporal Samuel Buama aha. Na the see and say womo drinking sports ewa Kaswa high tension Friday ya just say as anopa ewia musa no by o de enfa ne say ewia womo ye ewia na womo say womo celebrate the Farmers Day. Once the Farmers Day na holiday police for eba holiday still womo ye juma but Farmers Day na nkofo ji omoni ewa drinking sports inti police for so ho na womo akopa bibi kaka de aka womo ano na drinking sports no ni din the JVC drinking sports ewa Kaswa high tension say na me din kan kire mo no na etiefo de yete ye ene say ntokwase wobi nim de ema ntokwa ne baaye ebia wobi ekoka say police for mo peden wa ha ana obi nim ntokwa ewo ho de dada o say den yo wobi enim but ntokwase between Abrante bia na wedi 22 years na Abrante ne ye friend Musa Mohammed inti ntokwase between Musa Mohammed and police for mienu ya womo akọ drinking sports is womo economics na say na Musa Mohammed ya dey wo drinking sports for that inti ndokwa ni see ye no say it became heated na police for womo ra hono so wa wonim womo kra womo tuo wa wonim say police for utumi hu womo okron kra womo kra womo tuo no inti ndokwa see ye no ndokwa ni kosro bufuo ni kosro ni ehu ya ne say police ni ba akon watwe etuo no kra asa agro womo tina ho nia no eyo say agro police wo betutu yi asa agro because they bia ya ka say police for no etuo na ye de mo na ya na ye kan bullet no inti say be etuo no untumi enfa nkodi nyambra nsem bia ejo na say police na clock in the gun no agra police na to tuo no abosa 22-year-old Musa Mohammed killing him on the spot na afei womo drinking sports or womo mbejane ye na fe ehwa ye heja wo bia che say chaos all over nkrofu jane na ehwa na ebimu so womo jane ye no na womo bo police for no omo free police for bo mo amane say ewudi sema munipa ni bi womo ebedi ewo drinking sports na niu na ehwa na police for edimirika womo de eba ho ebe chi san krofo police for mienu asebe esusu se womo edisa nyambra nsem no ena yeje womo tuo efi womo nsem na eho ena IGP no o interdict womo na tese police for no ye chi womo tumu eje womo ntare je bibia eye police property a ekra womo no yeje bibia fi womo nsem assembly makanda na emeya say it had to actually manifest this way. Makanda say police for sa etuo ne nyama womu krekra no embra samoba kaya this same Kaswa once a Kaswa police for mienu ene ko disanya mranse wo na earlier this year so Kaswa na Abrante bi ono so ko bo police for mienu tuo ekun omo na emsa sa ade ne si ye no nkrofo ba bonte be kasa sisi ade police for nia ye mo mutuo the defense minister and Rebecca say interior minister onompo ba bonte wo bia minister Rebecca say wo hwe police for no ono so ba bonte e be kan Say sisia no ye be ma police for etuo say mo kai asema me kan sa time na me kan say wodi etuo no e hye police for ne nsemu a lot of civilians will die because and the police in the begina kwan wo kitetuo no ebia wo bi ekra car oba na police ni na stop no na nipa ko no wan stop obo say police ni de ebufu ebe den ebe tutu ne bia na police ni ne kra no na yeri ahye na ebufu wo fie we de ebufu ebe tutu no wo de tuo e ko se wo bi nsa nipa ko no be hu ne say weapon nipa ko no bufu na wontumi en control ne ho pe we di ewu similar thing until me say that time minister ne ka asasa na me ka say Ghana yenye proactive minister said be wako school e was say wu hu nyama utumi kas just say utumi ba bonte e be kasa say na tese da bi Ghana no until me say that time na me hu say hey Ghana wo mo hwe Ghana so no hey wo mu nim hwe say asemesi minister be ka asem nti and the police phone ya be mo mutuo na me hu say kai disaster the same thing ni what I say Ghana systems don't work sabi yan hwehwe enkrofo 3 mu police for no enya ade a ye system bi e be ka say ebia police for no occasionally no ye be therapists bi amomo aye hu ne say police ni we fit to handle a gun police ni sabi senia ne bufu senia eya ne bufu ana adwen no senia econinti no manyefa etuo nhye ne nsa Ghana ye ni systems a e check sa ade ni na it is a wo ka say wo di etuo hye police ni bia nsa eye ewudisem na wo mo de be den wo mo de bedi wo kretuo no nam krom na sabe wo bi benante fa ne ho ebo nsuo gu ne ho nipa ko na ewu wo be bo ne tuo eku no etiefo enya asiresem o enya agro na me ya se assembly makapen na AC on the other side police for munso mu kretuo sebe eyen krasesem se police ni wo be create you asebe within public places eyen krasesem to the highest degree police ni me de me yobia me no mensa I don't drink alcohol I don't know how wo obi ka se wabo sa feel ne kra me nim se ne yete se wo bi se wabo I don't know how the feeling is me pensa no but me condemn me wo bi se ma no mensa ne ba ko no yes obi wo ha wa no mensa amboa no wo be ka se chale ensa ne de o kosro obe no ma ebedu bebi amboa but ade ne say wo na police ni wenyin you know what is good for yourself o se wo be no mensa no problem wo kwa drinking spot akono mensa wo de etuo ana wo fa wo etuo no edi wechi akwakoye den drinking spot ankrofo wo ho a wo se wo ko celebrate holiday itietio na wukita no wo de kopeden wo ho wo de kopeden e wo drinking spot ho iti chese ye ka ahase no ni ye ka ahase dienso hwe police for they need to realize this Ghana has say police need uniform but who so above the law eji other police ni awo ye ni senior so betumi akasa ma netie wo ye civilian wo di agro babu wekun but it's not supposed to be that way na me hu no say eye ahomaso ene ba because my fetuo ne nko obi ntumi nya hwe drinking sport ho amebufu aba wa twene tuo wo ndwene ehu no say ade wei ebetumi ama asesa wodabre wo ndwen hu say we adwuma besai iti police ni na ene say wo body bako na tuo ekuno na tese we nya ni trade didi mu ana say den aden na sabe nkrofo bi mu wo ho a wo mubufu a wo mo ndwen menti asio ebi mu wo ho a wo mubufu a sebe previous a wo mo ndwen ehu no say action ya bi take ebetumi abe affect me family ebia na wo yere kan na sebe wo na wo hwefie sisi a wo adwuma police adwuma ball yasanso e de wo court wo kun obi ye bechi watum wa ha wo yere wa ha wo mba aden na sebe ye take action bia ye ndwin ko echi ehu ne say ade we ya me yi ebe ha wo bi eya no media me bufu ajanio media me bufu a wo ye hwame ntio eye jimi I'm very sorry words are me used but asema e was say kasa efa ho ya nhwe ne ye a ade we betumi ato obia because oko banks a police wo create police ina wo create no e wo bank no obi nim se ni trimu kanu obi nim se ne ye na hye ne bufu no wabete na bank o We don't know his mental stability records. Because in this system, I check his identity na one day, sebe, ni trimu be kano, na etio no wafa no woshutua, we kume mkrofo wa bank kwa. Ati asiye, Ghana, yeah, we take a lot of things for granted. A lot of issues, we take it for granted. Na, meko efutu ne sono. Police ni, will create you. Wako public space. In the first place, no, Misusu say, police for car is against their rules. Say, kita etio e de akwa public space. To say drinking bar, na etio ne da ho. Because Yesusu say, oko ho na wo no mensa na wo boa. Say the obetumi abechinchi mo nsakra agi etuo no. E de akobo kro no. Because police ni wako drinking spot to create you. Oko no mensa. Wobi betumi age obu na unhu hwea wobi betumi age etio no. Wo pokra na wo chese unhu de wo ye obetumi akobo obi tio ekuno. Internal police for young pene ema said wo mfa etio no enko places be say. Weti amra police for amra wo de etio na ko no problem. Se nipa ko ne hye webufu say den kra na control yourself, you are a police officer. Se boni na nipa ko ne aye kra na obeche ne de na ko police station. Na wo de watwe to crowd aboni pa ebi mu wakokodro ba akokodro film say there akokodro fun tantan jimi sema akokodro bi say there dabi asesa wo dabre for life wa bra wa say just because of that little anger you couldn't control, because they say asem they see here na ebufuo ba that's what the police reports na mensaka no and on the story are eba say asem between this 22-year-old any police for no emebufuo by my police for no bufu ya ma ne broso. Just 1 minute anger went to me and control hunti and the assessor would that breath for life. Obakwa kotina baby they share our brave will be a work class. Meanwhile, a woman went to me and control him. Mo amutie me nyamesre yensi anyansa free mu. Na meka se yensi anyansa free mu nye didi atem. Mo amutie me nyina yensi ade en free this particular story mu. Because in Krofo bebre wo ho a ebia wo ka wo adamfo bi. Onu de no bufu a wo ye ne denka wontie e wo se wo pra ni pakona sa ne ho da bi yenye sa. De bia meka YouTube has say Abrante ba kwa no so meta hwe ne videos K3 adepa. De bia asema woka wose mabone empin bebia edru. Police ni ebufuo ne kosro se den ena nka wo ma bone epin bebia edru a nka minjin se ende ne dabrebe sesanse. Ende waha enye ono nko na waha ne nanfofo wo bia no depende won so waha ne yere se ebia wo mo aware a waha ne yere na wofo waha ne wo na wofo tese just because of that small anger you couldn't control. Today your life was it me nyanya into me ka say nipa ko in life I say only God, because ngofo bebre wo ho a yes wo mo ko prison later ye ba be release you but still wo mo life no e be ko enim eyeye into me nyanya me into me ka say in life I say, but for now no, this thing was avoidable just because you couldn't control your anger. One ma bone pin baby abone no edru mon try ma dwenche for me that say